Okay, this time I'm going to show you how to do the written method for division, but with remainders this time. As I said last time, the written method of division is not often the first way a child should attempt a calculation, and we encourage the children to attempt division using mental methods in order to help them develop speed and confidence. But, same as last time, it is an important tool, and sometimes it may be the only way that the child can figure out how to do it, and that's why it's a really important thing to know. So, last time we did 126 divided by 3, so this time we're going to do 125 divided by 3, because that will give us a remainder. It's the same setup as last time. We have our target number, and then we're basically trying to find out, well, how many groups of 3 fit in there. We look at our first number. I want to know how many groups of 3 will go into 1. That isn't going to work. So what we're going to do, we're going to say 0 groups of 3 fit into 1. That's 3 times 0. How many are left over? Well, that's the 1 that's left over. As I said last time, if we look at the place value, it's basically, the next step is looking at 12 as a whole rather than the 2. So how many groups of 3 go into 12? I should know, using my table facts, that is 4. There are 4 3s in 12. It's this last step where it becomes a little tricky. We know certainly one set of 3 will fit into 5, but 2 sets of 3 would be 6, and that number's too big, so only one set is going to fit in. 1, 3 is 3. That means there's a remainder here. How many more did I need to make the 5? I needed 2 more. So, in certainly key stage 1, children would be looking at this kind of sum and would be happy with that result, 41 remainder 2. However, at key stage 2, we would really like to know the exact answer for this sum. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our knowledge of decimals and place value to continue with that sum. So let's just copy what we've got so far. We know that 125 in reality is 125 point nothing forever. Not 0, just recur. We were dividing by 3, same setup. And our decimal point, it's always important to put the decimal point up here as well, so that everything's in line and makes our life very easy. We're just going to copy what we've got so far, so we would do the same sum. 3 goes into 1 0 times, with 1 remaining. 3 goes into 12 4 times, with none remaining. 3 goes into 5 once, with 2 remaining. So, what do we do with the remaining 2? Just like we did in the first step, where we had remaining 1, we put it across to the next number. We're going to do the same. We have remaining 2, as we said, up here. So, we're going to put it to the next number. The next number in this line would be the 0, so we're going to put it there. So, now the sum we're asking is 3 goes into 20 how many times? Again, using my table facts knowledge, I should know that the closest I can probably get would be 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18, so let's put 6 in there as our answer. That didn't get us quite to 20, it only got us to 18. So how many are remaining? Well, again, that's 2 remaining. Same idea again, 3 goes into 20, well, it goes into 18 6 times, with 2 remaining. So that is going to continue on forever. It's called a recurring number. There's an easy way to write that. We can write 41.6. And instead of having to write 6 forever after that, we can do a dot above it. And that shows us that that 6 is recurring. So we've got to a more accurate answer than just 41 or 41 remainder 2. We know that in reality means 41.6 recurring.